Hello, my name is Mike with Keystone RV Company Customer Service supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes ask, where can I obtain an owner's manual? Did you know that Keystone RV provides an owner's manual with each unit we manufacture? The Keystone Owner's Manual, both current and past, are also available on our website and can be downloaded in its entirety or even by the page. Simply go to keystonerv.com/owners/owner's manual and search for the manual of your choice. And remember, we're always here to help.